Hi, this is Fred from FastSpring, and today we're going to continue on with FastSpring and Zapier use cases. And we're going to connect FastSpring with Salesforce. And if you haven't set up FastSpring with Zapier, you can watch a previous video where I show you how to do that. So today we're going to continue on from where we left off, where we have received a webhook from FastSpring on an order completed event in your store. So what we want to achieve today is that when a customer purchases a product from you in your FastSpring store for the first time, we want to contact Salesforce and create an account. And then we will want to create an opportunity on that account with the purchased information. So let's continue. We want to start with just adding a Salesforce action. And we're going to start with the create a new record. And here it's going to ask you to authenticate with your Salesforce. I've already done that, so we can continue. And we're going to choose the object we're going to work with, which will be account. And we are going to map what the account name should be to the webhook. And we can search here for company, and we should be finding something called data customer company that looks suitable to use. So let's go ahead and choose that. You can populate any information here on the account level, such as address or anything that you might be getting from that webhook. But we're just going to go ahead and do the bare minimum for testing purposes. So let's go ahead and continue here and test this step. Right, so here we can see that it successfully sent information to Salesforce, and we can see here that the name FastSpring is what was sent. So let's go and double check that in Salesforce. I'll refresh, and I should be having, here we have a new record called FastSpring. Let's go ahead and create an opportunity on this account. So we're going to add another step here. I'm going to repeat the same event we did previously, which is create a record. And on the action, we are going to choose the opportunity object. Next thing we want to do is to choose the account ID that we want to attach the opportunity on. And we'll find that under custom, and in the previous step that we just created, we can find this ID here. Then we want to choose what name we should populate the opportunity with. And here I'm going to choose the order reference, which we can find here, data reference. Then we can go ahead and add anything we want here in description or similar. There are some required things that we should choose. So we are going to use on the stage level here, we're going to put this as a closed won opportunity. And the amount should be what the amount was for the purchase. We can find that in the webhook. And you can usually find that under data payout. Let's see here, I think it's called data payout. Data total in payout currency looks correct. So let's go ahead and choose that one. And probability, we can put at 100 because it's already purchased. And close date, we will go ahead and use the date. Changed. Data item subscription change display looks good. Let's use that one. Actually, we're going to go ahead and find a better one here for the close date that is more general. Let's see if we can find something better. Data change display looks generic enough to be used. Let's use that one. And then I think we're good. Let's go ahead and test this. All right, we can see that we successfully sent this data to Salesforce. So let's see if we can see an opportunity under this account. Just going to go ahead and refresh. Click on the account and under opportunities. Here we can see that we have created an opportunity on this account we just created. And we can see that the opportunity name is the order reference, it's closed won, and we can see that in our Salesforce instance, it takes the purchase amount and it kind of times by 12 to get ARR. But everything seems to be working fine, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you again soon.